Good morning, it's Mel from Integral Blinds here in Coventry. It's a Saturday, and a Saturday for us is a day we often go about the country, various places to do installations, sometimes deliveries of course, and surveys, sales calls as well. So we've got 5 or 6 stops today involving Rotherham, somewhere else up in Yorkshire, Elland, Leeds, Preston, Wigan and Clitheroe today. We've got quite a full trip involving installations and sales calls, surveys as well. So what we're doing today is we've got this job to do, which is a single large size unit, which is this one here. It's automated electric. You've got our concealed stack at the top, the blinds are up in there. There's 2 side panels with that, and they're automated electric. There's the remote control in the box and the battery modules there as well. They're really smart. And then for a lady in Rotherham, we've got these 2 French door units and the 2 side panels there as well, also fully dressed. These haven't got a concealed stack though. She didn't want a concealed stack in hers, but they still also have the dress perimeter you can see there with an unconcealed stack. Her blinds will be down most of the time, so she didn't want to conceal that area. These are for a delivery we're doing actually these are not being delivered today. These are going down to the southeast for someone, but these again are unconcealed metallic graphite perimeter with an unconcealed stack, brushed aluminium slats. These are for a project in Aylesbury or somewhere down that way later in the week. There's no dress perimeter on there, hence you see the side frame profiles, the mechanical joints, just a basic standard bare bones product there. But these 3 jobs here, fully dressed, very smart. I mean, look at the black on that. You know, it's absolutely piano black, and they're going to have, I think, silver blinds in that one. And again, a jet black, piano black perimeter with slightly off-white slats there. Again, very tasty, very smart project indeed. That one there and this one here are a retrofitting into existing frames. I don't think they're new frames. The one for that lady certainly isn't, but this one might actually be new frames. I'll have a reminder when I see the job, no doubt. And then we're going to do surveys, so we're showing people colour swatches. We'll put some sample units on the van to show people in Wigan and Preston who have made inquiries. They're on the verge of placing an order. They just want to settle on the colour choices and options, see the product. So we're going to show them the samples and help them make the final choices before going ahead with us on Monday or Tuesday, I believe. So busy day, and if you're interested in keeping us busy, perhaps next weekend or the weekend after with surveys or sales calls, we'll be happy to come out and see you, of course. Give us a call, 0800 610 610. Email us at sales@integralblinds.com, or alternatively check out our Facebook page again at facebook.com/Integral Blinds. Be happy to hear from you. Be delighted to talk to you about the choices and options available to you for your project, and you know, and demonstrate the product to you. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Bye.